I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just got a shipment from MoYu, so I'm just gonna live unbox it, I guess. I don't know what the shipment is, and I'm also struggling to open it because I'm using a house key. But let's see what we've got. Oh, it looks like there's quite a bit of stuff in here. Very cool. Yeah, so how was your day? I just finished up uni for the year today. I played in some recitals. I'm studying music. What? Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. This is very cool. I'm excited. I haven't gotten a shipment like this before from MoYu. Alright, I'm just gonna get everything out and then go through everything one by one. Oh yes! So I asked MoYu if I could get a stack of the cards with me on them, because I didn't get any with the Super Wailongs, so thank you MoYu for sending me a stack of these. This is awesome. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I just wanted at least one for my own collection. Alright, let's check out this first one. It's the Magical Pyramid Puzzle Series Bade Pyramid. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it's scrambled. What? Do all of them come scrambled? No, what? Okay, oh, and it's well, that was easy. Well, I guess that's a... Is this, what's it called, like Pyraminx Duo or something? I can't really remember, but that's cool. I'm not a huge fan of the, like, pastel colors, because they're pretty dull, but whatever. Cool puzzle thing. It's quite easy to solve. Like, I just solved it twice without knowing anything about it. Okay, this next one is the Maple Leaf Pyramid, also from the Magical Pyramid Puzzle Series. I love the name. Oh, there's so much rubbish in my car now. Oh, it's not a oh, I thought it was like a clover that turned that way. That would be cool, but this is a weird Pyraminx shape mod with no tips. This one will be a bit harder to solve. Still quite doable though. Yeah, these ones, I don't know about these because they turn like that and it always hits my hand when I'm doing the thing, so I don't know. I don't love the cubes that turn like this. Okay, now I have no idea what this is. It looks very cool. It looks like, I don't know, is it a snake puzzle? It's gotta be, I think. But there's 3. And they are the exact same, I think. Yep, I don't really know. They're just puzzles doing things, and I've ruined the box already. Oh no! This one's really hard to open. Okay, alright, cool. Oh, I really like the colors. This is very nice looking. Now these pastel colors are really cool. I did just say that I'm not a fan of the pastel colors, but I really like this. Now, is it the right length to do the ball thing? I think it is. Oh, what? No, what? And it makes those, oh wow. Okay, yeah, that's cool. And where was it? I saw a cheeky MoYu logo somewhere here. Where was it? Oh, it's here. Yeah. There is actually a MoYu logo on the end there. Or a Mofang Jiaoshi, I should say. Very cool. Okay, now there's just 2 more. I'll open this one first. This is also from the Magical Pyramid Puzzle Series. This is the Unicorn Cube. What? Alright. Even if this isn't hard to solve or doesn't turn well, it's already awesome. This one also is scrambled. I'm confused about that, but that's okay. Oh, wow. Okay, well this is like really, really easy to solve because the pieces don't actually move in relation to each other. But, oh, that is like one of the most satisfying turns ever. Like even just the sound of it. Oh my God, this is brilliant. This isn't a puzzle, this is a fidget toy, but it's a very, very nice fidget toy. Like that clack is, I don't know if it comes across through the microphone, but it's something else. It'll get annoying pretty quickly, but I think it's pretty cool. Okay, and our last one is the Geo Cube. So I guess there might be a few versions of this, and I've just got the one, but we'll, I probably still have it. Like the version of this that's a full cube. I can't remember what it was called, but it was one of the first ever cubes that I got. And at one of my first comps, I tried to compete with it and they turned me down. I was very sad. So it's just like, it's a 3x3 with missing parts, but the whole thing still turns. It's pretty cool. I don't know how easy it's weird to look at and solve. It's definitely wigging me out a bit. Oh. Wait, so, oh, okay. I had it all wrong. Surely just F sexy. Oh, what? Okay, flipped edge. It's fine. And it's done. I mean, if you want to practice RU solves while holding a ball in the left hand, that's all the power to you, brother. I mean, it's fun. I'm all for it. Yep. It looks pretty funny when you do something like I don't know, that. I shouldn't have a camera with my speaking abilities. Yes, so that was everything from MoYu. This is my favorite, even though it's not a puzzle, but yeah, that was a video on Rubik's cubes that I just made and will post. This will be a very boring video that will not do well, but I'm okay with that. I'm not here for the views. I'm here for the die-hard fans, because they exist. I know they do. I tried to do, oh, what even was that? It's so weird trying to do normal 3x3 algorithms on this. Just nothing works. Oh wait, a T-perm would be cool on this. Yeah. Yep, I'm a fan. Oh, whoa. It's a little L. Yeah, that's for you. Get it? Take the L. Oh man, the jokes are flowing today. Woohoo! Oh, buddy. Yep. Yeah, this was my favorite. This was my least favorite. This one, very cool. I got 3, so I'll probably, maybe I'll like do a follow-up video and show it to my mum, because she'll probably really like it. This one is also cool, but again, not very hard to solve. Yeah, I don't like making videos, but I've got a bit of time to kill right now. I'm about to go and play some pool. Yep, that's the rest of my day. Yep. Thanks FedEx for shipping these out. Actually, no, not thanks to FedEx. I had to come and pick this package up because they weren't able to ship it to my PO box. So, not thank you, FedEx. It was not a gamer move, but I'll live with it for now, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video pretty quickly now, so I can I don't know, go and play pool and not be on camera anymore. Yep, full box of things. This one's awesome. I'm gonna be doing this for the rest of my life. I want one of these that's like UV coated with nice colors, because I feel like it's a better display thing when it's got those vibrant colors. Because I love this right now, but I'll probably be bored of this by tomorrow. So, you know, they got to consider the display factor of these things, I think. As a product designer myself, I don't design products. I don't know if I'll post this. If I do end up posting this, just don't watch the whole thing. Like, this is 11.5 minutes now of just me being really boring on camera. So if you've watched this whole thing, I'm sorry that you wasted like 12 minutes of your day watching me talk about this. The corners are weird on this. They're like really flat. Anyway. Goodbye.